Hello, good afternoon, Deepika.
Good afternoon, and how are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing exceptionally well. And how was your day
My
so far?
day, actually, my day is productive, quite mischievous with the children now. You are aware that now summer vacation is going on. So there are
Right.
so much hodgepodge in maternal's house. So
Mhm.
I'm busy and engaging some activities with my kids, and everything is hunky-dory from my side.
Mhm.
Okay,
Okay,
so
that's
we
great.
are meeting very first time, so please let's quick give a small introduction. So please give me your introduction from where you are and what are you doing nowadays, everything.
So, as you know, my name is Deepika, and currently I'm connecting from Haryana. If talk about my qualification, I hold master degree in commerce, and right now I'm a homemaker. Alongside managing my home, I also run a small YouTube channel, English with Deepika, where I share solo video and conversational video. And apart from that, if you talk about my hobbies, so I love listening to music, reading books, and learning something new. I'm a quite avid person, and I'm here just because I want to improve my communication as well as English speaking skills. And after connecting with people, I feel more confidence. I feel like I have a like this kind of confidence. I can talk to anyone, and so yeah, nowadays I'm also working on that field. So that's pretty much about me. And if
Hmm.
I mention one more thing, that I already married. I blessed with two lovely daughters also. Yeah.
Okay, you have two lovely daughters.
Yeah.
Very nice and wonderful. You are doing, practicing, and you retain your household things also. Everything you are managing very well. So nice. It's very wonderful. Okay, so if I talk about myself, my name is Monica, and I am from MP Gwalior. And if I talk about my qualifications, I have done masters in English literature and B.Ed honors and CTET clear. CTET
Okay.
examination is actually held on 2021. I have cleared that exam, and by profession, I am a teacher. And since last 10 years, I have been teaching in a private section and private sector, sorry. So, and now, but I have to quit my job because of my children, so there are a lot of things are there. So being a mother, I have also a responsibility for my kids on my shoulder. So that's why. And last 8 months ago, I started my channel, YouTube channel, and where I upload my short videos and long videos both. And now I am working as a part-time job as a coaching, private coaching, offline coaching. I have been working since last 2 months, and I'm satisfied with that. So that's all. Thank you so much for asking.
That's wonderful. Actually, you already have you also have lots of on your plate, and you also managing everything very well. I can easily resonate with you because I also quit my job just because of my kids. Earlier, I was working as a teacher. Okay, but yeah, after having two kids, I don't have much time to go outside and as well as take care of kids. So that's why I also quit my
So
job.
from how long have you been you started your journey on YouTube channels? Please let me know.
Yeah, sure. It's been around 1 year. Yeah, 1 year ago, I started my YouTube channel. Actually, I started my YouTube channel just because of learning purpose. That time, I don't didn't have intentions to run my channel. Okay, but after responding, my channel is responding well. So then I decided to work on my channel. Yeah.
So you decided to work on your channel. Okay. So how many subscribers do you have right now? Because you are working since last 1 year.
Yeah, so I already mentioned earlier I didn't have intentions to run my channel. I just posted my videos for learning purpose because
Hmm.
I want to be familiar with camera first and build confidence so I can connect with other people
Yes,
also.
yes, yes.
Yeah, but after 2 or 3 months, you can say around 4 months, I gathered courage to talk to other person, like a for conversation video, and that time until now I'm working on this,
Oh.
and from that I already get one more than 1,000 subscriber. Yeah.
It's very nice. Very nice of you. Because now YouTube takes so much time in their algorithm na for recommended any video. If you are consistent, your channel grows well. If you are not consistent, so your channel will be finished. Yes. It in my case, actually, I am not consistency because maintaining consistency nowadays because I am working woman and part time. As I told you that I retain my coaching. I have to take care of my coaching center, so that's why only Sunday there is a Sunday today, so I am free on only on Sundays. So I will conduct my session most of the time on weekend time. And whenever
Okay.
if there is a holiday, any religious or any national festival holidays, so I definitely I can make consistency properly. So yeah, Deepika, if you have any particular topic to discuss.
Actually, I didn't prepare. I didn't prepare any topic because you text them, send the message, drop
Yes,
the
yes,
message
yes.
in the group, and
Randomly,
suddenly
I
I say,
text in
yeah,
a group. So, okay, we will discuss some daily conversation sentences with you also. I have some conversation sentences, so we should go through with them. Okay.
sure, sure. Okay,
Okay,
no
okay,
problem.
okay. So tell me
Yeah.
about your like English experience because as we know that this is the second language and international language also. So what kind of difficulties you are facing presently? Just tell me.
Presently, if you talk about presently, yeah, earlier when I started my journey, which
Yes,
one are
yes,
you want to ask?
yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so here I want to share my both conditions. Like earlier when I started my journey, and right now how much challenges I'm facing right now. Okay, so if I talk about my earlier, so earlier I would say I completely face mentally. Okay, mentally, you can say situations. For example, whenever I try to talk to myself, even so, every time I afraid to talk to myself. So suppose someone listen to me, so what they think about me, I'm using broken English, I'm speaking like that. So first, then I just made up my mind. First, you stop scaring, afraid of making mistake. Okay, and sometimes
And
we also
mistake,
like think
making a
about.
mistake, it is natural. We cannot afraid of mistakes because this is the part of our learning. So if we didn't do any kind of mistake, so how can we learn ahead? So this is natural.
Yeah. So earlier I faced lots of things just because of I was considered myself like a introvert person. Okay. I didn't want to show to anyone. Okay, what I am learning and what type of mistake I'm doing. That kind of thing. And then I made up my mind. No, you have to just ignore these kind of things like public what think about my speaking, like judgments. Okay, and people judge to you whenever you talk,
Yes.
and don't scare while speaking, something like that. I just try to. No, you have to do that. Okay, if anyone listen to you or making any kind of joke, it's okay. Okay, because this is your journey and you have to do that. And yeah, slowly and gradually I started to build my confidence. Okay, first I started with a like a self talk and mirror technique something. Then I feel no, you have to also your what say that you need to review. Okay, whatever you saying, whatever you are using, you need to review that things. And then I started to record myself. Okay,
Yes, yes.
first I go to audio, then video, and slowly and gradually I build that kind of
Mostly
confidence
people
so I
are
can.
afraid of facing the camera, or they are in the group edit person or members usually said that I am not comfortable on video call. I am comfortable only audio call. So I would say that they are not need to afraid of any kind of phobia. They should come forward like facing the camera and practicing daily regularly according the video call. Audio call is not audio call is comfortable if you want to go through the comfortable zone, so you are not practicing properly na. If you
Yes,
become a public speaker, so you should be come forward, take out from your comfort zone. So I would say that
yes,
video call is very necessary. By video calling, we can interaction to each other. We are facing to each other properly, and we are interacting nicely, and we can communicate uh, very well. Like now, face-to-face interaction is very necessary for conversation or become a public speaker. If you go anywhere, any function or any party or any school function, if your teacher says that give me a small speech about the sports day, so
right.
how could you define themselves in front of the public? So I would say that those people who says that usually that I am comfortable on audio call. So this is not
Mhm.
much better. You are adult, and everybody makes mistakes. So don't afraid of coming in front of the camera. You should come from your comfort zone, and you should learn in a video calling like conversation. Mistakes do you don't worry about the mistakes, because everybody wants that we are not perfect, because this is an international language. It takes times always. It takes times to improve ourselves. But if we facing the camera, so two aspects are working. We are working on our
Mhm.
personality development. First is camera
Right.
facing, and second is fluency. We are working on these two things together. So this
Yeah,
is my point
I
of view.
completely, I completely agree with you, whatever you're saying. And here I want to add one more thing. What happened? Any kind of fear only exists in our mind. Not in, actually, it doesn't exist in real. Okay. First, when you come out from your comfort zone, okay, that then you overcome on that fear, work on that fear. Definitely, you feel more comfortable. Okay, you can easily do whatever you want to do.
Yes.
First you have to overcome your fear. Actually, you come out from your brain, your mind, because everything is existing here. Okay,
Yes.
once you removed it, so definitely you can do it anything whatever you want to do. And these kind of faces I sorry these kind of problems I faced earlier, but right now I'm facing that thing. I'm very much comfortable with audio video. Okay, but when I comes to talk in front of the people face to face or in a public, okay, so that time I feel little bit hesitate. Okay,
Because
so
people
that
are making blogs also on the road in front of so many people are there. When I go to the Instagram account, and I saw there a lot of videos, ladies, actually women, they have become now above 60 or above 50. So they are making blogs. They are starting to making blogs. They are making a identification on the social media also, because they are eager to learn English. So they are adopting like mini blogs, like they are making mini blogs on the road while they are walking on the road, or any parking or any park area or any garden area. So they don't want to miss any chance to improve your English. So we are a familiar that everything we have, every resource we have nowadays in a digital era. If I talk about this, it is digital era, we are
Mhm.
like hailing. So every facility is there for the human being, but we,
Right.
how can we utilize them, our resources? It depends up to you. Okay, so this is the criteria of learning. Small small things makes a big difference in your success. So it's true,
Yeah.
really true.
Yeah, ma'am, you are saying right. And here I also share one more thing. Yesterday I went to Vrindavan, okay, and then just thought about that. Okay, you just this is your opportunity. This is a good opportunity to speak in front of people. Okay, then immediately I just go went on the live and started to speak. Whatever comes in my mind, I just started to
Yes,
speak in the
yes, yes.
public.
This is the good thing
And
to express our thought, na, actually, where we go. Because at random, we are going anywhere like a religious place or anywhere else. So we have a good chance to express ourselves, our thought actually, so that we can remove this phobia like camera phobia or facing the public also. We I have I want to I want to make a video on the public place. So many people are there gathering in gathering. We want to make a short video, so how can we capture it? But on the other hand, we are like afraid what the people thinking about me. So don't care about the people, because we are mature people, and everybody wants to make yourself and prove yourself we are a good speaker. So why don't you judging the people what are they are saying about yourself, your personality? You are doing well, so you go ahead. At the public place,
right.
if you are like catching one video, short video, so it is beneficial to you. People are watching you at your face, so looking nice. You are proud of yourself. You are doing well.
Yes, you after after making that short video, okay, I feel
Yes, yes.
yeah, after making that short video, I feel more confident. Even I feel that time while speaking, I already forget the people. They are watching me, they are staring me, something like that. I completely forget about that. I'm just enjoying that thing. Okay. And now I'm feeling okay. Now you can do it in public places, no problem. So yeah, that's how I'm facing or overcome coming
Yes,
this
yes. Right, right.
issue.
Because now these small steps, sets us, these small steps or small efforts by us set our goal, set our success. And by making these small steps, we can get success one day in our life, and we become a fluent speaker. And after some time, before one week ago, I took a chance in my my coaching to 15 days speaking classes free of cost. So many students are there in my coaching, and my coaching has been started 2 months ago. So when I expressed my thought in front of the students, so I felt proud. Proud moment. That was my proud moment, that I could express myself as a teacher, as a mentor. So I expressed my thought at that time. So students put up some questions also, that ma'am, your speaking is so well. How could you do this? So only my answer is only very small answer and one word answer, only for practice. This is the
Right.
this is the result, only the practice.
Practice
As you practice more, you gain more, you achieve
more.
more.
Yes, yes, you are
So
saying
this is the
right. And
target we have to set a target that one
Mhm,
day or in 30 days challenge, we
mhm,
are we are focusing only our public speaking, and
mhm.
our we forget our mistakes. Yeah, we should work on our mistakes also. But first step is there. It is very essential that if you are a beginner, you just go practicing, only practicing. Any kind of topic, any Hindi or English translation you can go through in a small or short videos. So your mouth always ready to speak in English. Our mouth is not ready because we are habitual mother tongue only. We are habitual to talk mother tongue in our environment because there is no good environment. Everybody complains that there is no environment of speaking. How could we speak? How can we speak? So environment
Okay.
actually have to create ourselves. बनाना पड़ता है actually. So
Yes.
environment takes much time. If you have a good camera quality, or if you have a friends
Mm.
circle, or if you have a no friend circles, you just download 2 or 3 application or Nova application, and so many applications are there for practicing. Yes.
Right. I also heard so many times this same question. Okay, in the comments, sometimes whenever I talk to any new beginner person. So I would say only one thing. If you don't have an environment, you should start to create that environment. Okay. If you don't have a partner, it's okay. You can practice with yourself. I also started with that thing.
Just one
Okay.
minute.
Now sure. Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Okay, Deepika, only 10 minutes are left. So I want to ask some small sentences, daily using sentences. Okay, so my first sentence is धीरे धीरे लिखो. This is a small technique. Sentences making a structure.
Okay. Write slowly.
Okay, write slowly. जल्दी जल्दी लिखो.
Write fast.
Write
Write
fast.
quickly.
Yeah, write quickly
Quickly.
and write fast. Both are correct. मन में पढ़ो.
Okay. Read in silent.
Read silently. बोल कर पढ़ो.
Yeah. Okay. Speak loudly. No, read loudly.
Read aloud. Read aloud or read out loudly. It is correct also. एक और बार मुझे एक और चांस दो.
Once more. Give me
Yes.
that.
Yeah.
Once more. Give me
अभी
chance.
आया. अभी आया.
Okay. Come back in 1 minute or 1 second.
Yeah. Just coming in 1 minute. Just coming. Only we can say na
Just
just coming. Okay. पास
okay.
से देखो.
Look at. Uh, पास से
Closely.
देखो.
Yeah. Watch closely.
Closely. Yeah. Look at
Yes. Yes.
closely. Yeah. Watch closely.
झूठ मत बोलो.
Don't tell a lie.
Yes. बात मत करो.
What?
बात मत करो.
Okay. Don't talk.
Don't talk. Okay. विश्वास मत करो.
Don't believe.
विरोध मत करो. किसी भी चीज का विरोध करते हैं ना, विरोध मत करो.
Okay. Don't विरोध मत करो.
अपोज्ड. अपोजिशन में जाना, किसी के अपोज्ड जाना, अगेंस्ट जाना. डोंट अपोज.
Against. Don't oppose.
ओके.
Yes. Yes.
थकना मना है.
थकना मना है.
या थको मत,
Hmm.
लाइक दिस.
Don't feel exhausted or don't feel tired.
यस यस. डोंट फील एग्जॉस्टेड और टायर्ड. यस राइट. देर नहीं करना.
Don't be late.
डोंट बी लेट. ओके. मैंने अभी तक खाना नहीं खाया.
Okay, I hadn't have a dinner or lunch, whatever. Yeah, I hadn't
Yes.
a meal.
I didn't have meal. या I hadn't have my meal. ओके. मेरे पीछे आओ.
Follow me.
यस. इसे सही करो.
Okay, correct it.
Okay. So, yes, this is my some small words or small sentences you can say.
That
And
sounds
I
good.
want to ask you one thing, that these small structure makes our English fine and polishing day by day. Right?
Yes, you
Yes, yes.
you can
So
use
whenever
it.
I get chance now with my co-learners, so I would like to practice this kind of sentences daily.
Amazing, amazing. This technique is amazing because first we have to comfortable in our what's going in our surrounding at your
Yes,
home first.
yes,
When you
yes.
start to use these kind of sentences at home, so definitely you will feel comfortable outside.
Yes. Okay, so thank you so much, Deepika, for being here and take out some time for this special precious session. So I hope you enjoyed this session.
Yeah, definitely. I enjoyed completely this session. And if you don't mind, if you have a time, so we can connect again for my channel. Okay, if
Yes,
you have
yes,
a time,
definitely.
definitely.
After on Sundays, as I told you, I will be busy in their working days, and if I take any kind of time, so I will message you. Okay?
Okay, then we will try to discuss on a particular topic because today
Yes,
I don't have a topic. But
yes, yes.
on that meeting, we will try to discuss on a particular topic. Okay,
Okay,
bye bye.
definitely. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.
Have a great day. Bye.